the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, power trunk closing assist, power front seats, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, automatic temperature control, and one-touch window functionality. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Lincoln ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.